kum shibynta ban jingshakri ïaki Paidbah hakikat South Tarik Kyllalyngkot kibadon thain Narbong Byrnihat Ri Bhoi Bah Sosthenes Sohtun MLA Jirang mentara SNGI Pyllait Tarik Kyllalyngkot leit ban Pyllait Paidbah ya kawei kalikit Nongpang ya kaba Aiti shaka Rural Development Committee Narbong Circle ban jingshakri ïaki Paidbah kiba pang shitom thain ya katei kalikit Nongpang mang kyrpang lyngba skhim SRWP ban nalorkata la pynbha janai pan kabalakot shaka khatlai lak tengkatam ya katei kalikit Nongpang labu hapo ka Urban Health and Wellness Center kabadon Nongshong Narbong hakani SNGI kinong Nongshong lembat ki Paidbah ki badon hakishnong bapher hakathan Narbong kila penpaw ya kamensim jaga jingkemen namar kisnguthu bakan sayarap yaki hakaban kit yaki briu ki bakendu ya kapang shitom hakate kathan bat nakaliang MLA ulakentu ki Paidbah bat ikinong Nongshong bakin pendon kambha bat bakin ri bat sumarba knang bakan nong kajingmento yaki Paidbah Nongshong Shnong jong katei kathan.
Very special day, the 23rd of January 2025. Myself as the MLA, I would like to thank God Almighty for the blessings that He has given to the people of my constituency. And we are standing in front of this ambulance which is ready to go and ferry the needy, the patients, to take them from each and every village. And on this day before I do the ribbon cutting as a sign of releasing of this ambulance, I would like to thank all the headmen, Narbong Circle, Bosti, 14-15 villages, सबको हम धन्यवाद देना चाहता है, and the Narbong committee of work hard for this day to make it a grand success. Thank you so much, and as a mark of and a sign that we will release from today so that people will get to use for this ambulance. So I will do the ribbon cutting, and I hope that this ambulance will serve the purpose to each and every community, each and every village here in and around the Narbong Circle. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. One from Health Department. Let's come. Take the vehicle number also. Silent kasih sponsor.
We kajing Soukmen hadian ba ladep ban inaugurate mention snam ya ka Health and Wellness Center ya ka Health and Wellness Center ngalayo ban ay ya ka assurance selana ka jingkular akmat kinong ilam baro ba ya ka ambulance na kabenta ki Paidbah ki badon hakini ki thain ki ba ya kedu shibun ki jing namar ba kim ngimpat yo ya surok ba paka di ngilai persyang banwara ada kini ka ambulans ke ba dari ka four wheel aga ba on pensuk na ka benta ki Nongpang ban leit ban shaw na ban kit syaki jaka sumar di kini kadai hak jinge penbet lang ringkat bat ka Rural Development Committee jong kini ka Narbong Circle ka ba kini ki noyelam nadu ki rangba shnong ki ba fair nangta ki members ki bisimkia na ka benta kini ka circle Narbong akaba kilaya wan shakmat na kabenta banshim ya kajing kli kumno banla ban ay ya kajing shakri kababha na kabenta ki Paidbah ki badon hapo jong kaneka Narbong Circle. Dia nga sokben ban penpau khmat jong pi baro baka skhim kadai khat arlak naka SRWP ke skhim ke balabu kyrpang ya way po way MLA ngalayo ban ai kemba khat arlak naka skhim SRWP but haga jog por namar ba ka ambulans kadai ka 4-wheel tengi kemla ban pendap haga bidai tang naka skhim bat ngalayo ban ai daka donation bat ringkat bat ki perlok ki baya contribute lang bat nga ban yarap basilak sanho ban pendap ban pendap ya ketika ambulans singilayo ban peli metaga sngi ai ba kenika ambulans ka bangi peli metaga sngi kan long ka ban penmentoy naga menta ki pa Nongshong Shnong baro ki bahap hapo jong kenika circle nang ban pensup iki bakin leit ban kit ya ki Nongpang naga menta bakin yo ban ai ya ki jing sumar ki bakham kloy naga menta jong ki te hakane ka por nagaliang junga kumu MLA ngapun paru ya ka jing sokmen hake jong don lang baro kin riu pa kumat hakane ka thain ki balawan sekmat nagmanta ban ya pensngai lang kamtam hake bidei bat kene ka sngi ka ba mangi iyo ban pelat ya kene ka ambulans ka ban long ka ban la ban penmentoy nagmanta ki Paidbah ki badon hakane ka thain.